Hey, what's up guys, TSMUSTY right here, and in today's video I'm going to walk you step by step on how to create a very simple wordmark logo using Canva for free. Okay, the first step you want to take is to head over to canva.com, or you could just download the mobile version from your mobile store. Okay, I'm on the desktop version and it's literally the same thing with the mobile version. Okay, so yeah, second step is you have to sign up, or you have to sign in case you already have a Canva account. Okay, I already have a Canva account and I've logged in right over here. So yeah, all right, so the next step, Canva actually offers a lot of services, okay, from poster to infographics to presentations, Instagram posts, logos, social medias, YouTube, documents, and a lot. Okay, so for this tutorial we're creating a logo. Okay, so we want to head over to the logo. We could do that either by searching right over here or going through our template panel, or just clicking on logo right here. All right, so I'm just going to click on logo right here. All right, so we have a blank canvas right here. Okay, if you look over here, the left hand side, you would find some logo templates. Okay, I actually don't advise you to use any of these templates, because it will be so frustrating if at the end of the day you start up your brand using one of these templates and another brand is using exactly the same design as you are. So it's going to be really annoying. Okay, so what I advise you to do is you start afresh on a new canvas. Okay, all right, so for this tutorial I want to create a logo for a fashion outlet. Yeah, and I named the fashion outlet Crush Fashion. Okay, so I just want a wordmark logo, something simple and dope. All right, so I'm going to head over onto the left hand side right here, and I want to create a new text. So I'm going to click text. All right, and I'm going to add a heading. All right, so Crush. Yeah, all right, Crush. Okay, I'm going to increase the size a bit from my top panel right here. I'll take it around 45. Yeah, 45 is okay. 45. All right, great. And position this. Yeah, all right, so I said Crush Fashion, right? So let me include a subheading which is going to read fashion. Yeah, fashion. All right, so I just want to reduce this a bit to around 7 points. All right, great. So one thing about wordmark logo is you want your text to be something different from what we have all seen. Okay, so let me zoom in a bit. So this is a normal font, yeah, but I'm going to change my font style because I don't really like it. So I'm going to head over here on top panel. Yeah, okay, so let me play around with this fonts. Try this out. Okay, try this. Okay, let's see this. Okay, this. Alright, so I'm actually um all right, so I like this. Okay, let me go with this. All right, then font style for my fashion. I think this would do. Yeah, all right, great. Okay, so I feel the character spacing is too small, so I want to increase that by heading over here, spacing. I just want to increase this. Yeah, all right, so I'm gonna position it. All right, great. So our logo is starting to come alive. Okay, so I feel there should be something else. I feel like adding a line right over here. Alright, so let me go into elements. Alright, so I'm going to pick up a straight line. Yeah, it's too thick, so I'm just going to reduce the thickness. Alright, so let me reduce the size, the length. Okay, and I'm going to position it. Yeah, right here. Okay, yeah, all right, so yeah, okay, so our font is coming alive. Okay, so what I want to do next is I want to make this logo look different from just a regular logo. Okay, so let me start by touching this line. I'm going to add some line start and line end. Let me try this out. Let me see if this works. Yeah, it works. Right, let me check this guy. I think I like this. I think I prefer this. So let me reduce the size a bit. Yeah. Alright, so I prefer this. Alright, great. I feel like touching this also. I feel like adding an effect. So I'm going to head over to effect right here. And yeah, the curve effect. Let's reduce this a bit and take it around 30, and boom, here. All right, so our logo is all done. Yeah, okay, so our main logo is done, so it's time to add some colors and some style. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to group them and make sure they're positioned. Yeah, all right, so I want to create a logo variant, that's color variant. So what I want to do is I want to duplicate this layer, or this canvas, this canvas. I want to duplicate it, and I'll head over here to duplicate, and boom, it's duplicated. I'm going to rename this as logo 1, then rename this as logo 2. Okay, all right, so I feel the background should be deep blue. Yeah, that's what I want for the brand, a deep blue color. No, not this blue. So I'm just gonna pick a blue, and it's just really blue. Okay, or should that actually purple? Yeah, around here. All right, so I'm going to make all these white. Okay, all right, great. All right, great. Yeah, So I feel like creating another logo variant. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate this, and okay, so this time around I want a pictorial, I want something pictorial at the background. Yeah, so I'm going to add a picture from pixels. Okay, something about fashion. Let me just check right here. Okay, I like this, it's nice. So I'm going to send to the back. All right, let me position this. Okay, yeah, this is awesome. All right, so I feel the opacity is too much, so I'm going to reduce it so it pops, so it makes the logo pop a bit. So I'm going to take it around 30 points. All right guys, and that's it.